Please be careful with Don't you know, no. Showbiz fighter naman. Showbiz ka pala. Talaga,
I would say that, no, I'm really trying to find the right words. I would say that each day is getting better. That's it.
Each day.
But I'm just enjoying whatever I am given now. And kung sa pressure sa awards, I think it's a matter of not really being pressured. Parang I'd be thankful if I'm given one because somehow the award-giving body recognizes my talent as, parang something to be, parang, something na mabigyan ng award or worth given ng award, diba? So, pero, yun lang. Ayoko nang isipin yung pressure. I'm okay. Whenever I'm asked that question, kung may dream role pa ba ako, sa totoo lang, each and every role na ginagawa ko, I consider it as my dream role, as my dream project. Why? It's because I really put a lot of effort and yung buong heart ko dun sa role, no matter kahit sabihin mong character siya or lead siya, ganon ko binibigyan ng halaga at importansya yung bawat role na binibigay sa akin. So, para sa akin, bawat role na ginawa ko, yun ang dream role ko. Parang hindi na mauulit to, so kailangang ibigay ko na yung best ko dito.